Hey guys, and welcome to scripting tutorial number 13, in which you are gonna learn about instances. To be particular about Instance.new, and that's how you make it, like so, pretty simple. Now, in those brackets, it's not a function, but it's a like variable, and then you just try .new, and it's kinda like value. Well, it's a special thing because it's not a value, not a function, not a something, but it creates an object. It's very particular. It's not an object value. It just creates an object, one of these. Well, not only. I want to show you all the objects. Where is that? Object browser maybe. Yeah, there are a lot of objects, here, and it can create any of those things. I believe there was like advanced objects thingy. Oh, it's in my other window. That's all the objects it can create, and you may not see all of them because, as I said before, I modified my Roblox studio, and this is how you do this. You just go to settings, studio, and then somewhere around here it should be permission level shown. I just chose to Roblox, but usually you have to studio and deprecated object show. You should uncheck this because you don't need to use a deprecated object. That's pretty much it if you are wondering. So yeah, that's all the objects, all of them, and sometimes it lets you create in the workspace object, sometimes not, sometimes it lets you in the replicate storage. For example, server script service can only create 3 objects because it's only maybe related to regular script, server script, and module script. Well, server script is just a basic script. So yeah, Instance.new, and then you need to write in those 2 quotation marks some kind of object name, and if you want to know it, you just need to go here because it's just the object name or just an instance name. So let's just create a part, just a basic part, and if there is no such object, it just throws a warning. This thing consists of 2 arguments. Second one is its parent, so workspace, like so, because by default it has nil. It doesn't have a parent, so you need to set it. And now if we just played, it should create just a basic part, just a basic one. And that's another thing. We need to set it to variable because we're gonna modify it somehow. So let's just create a variable, local part equals this. So yeah, what does the local mean? You should watch my previous tutorials, but you don't really need to use that. You can just set C part, but I prefer to use local. So back on topic, part, and we change it like size, dot size from capital equals, well, it doesn't show me that suggestion bar because we didn't create this, we didn't run the script, so that's why. Part.size equals vector3.new, and you need to do with the vector3 value, and we're gonna create like 2 comma 55,1, and if we press play, it should work well. Yeah, as you can see, you may need to set the position part.position, and this is how you set it. It's also a vector3 value, vector3.new, I don't know, 0, 10, for example. And now it should be a bit not in the center, as you can see. And now there are 2 ways how to set its position. Another one is just by setting the C frame, and if you are wondering, C frame is a shorter thing for a word coordinate frame. so it's just world coordinates. And you also can just set the orientation. Well, it used to be rotation, but now it's orientation. So yeah, that's the thing. Par.cframe equals cframe.new, and then I don't know, like so, 0, 0, 10, and then it should be in the same exact place, as you can see. Yeah, pretty simple. Now I'm not gonna change all the properties, but you see how this instance that thing works, that new. And let's try to create something more interesting. For example, as I did before, explosion. And that's basically the thing I did. Now, explosion, I believe it has a C-frame, but it doesn't have size, so if I run it should throw an error. Yeah, as you can see, it's just not a valid member, or just a property, and that's the problem, so we need to delete this. And as you saw before, it's still a run and set the C-frame. Every single part or an instance that has position also has a C-frame. So yeah, it just coordinate frame, world's coordinates. Yeah, as you can see, it just exploded. And explosion, if you are wondering, is just a momentary thing. I think it gets deleted after it just, well, explodes. No, it doesn't. Well, it gets deleted. My mistake. Now, what can I also show you? That's pretty much it. There's nothing much to show you. You can experiment yourself by creating some kind of instances and then changing its properties. Like, I don't know, just do something humanoid. I don't know, just try to kill it, modify it, just do something fun with it and have fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, just write in the comments. I'll always answer if it's possible to answer to your question or just a comment. And I'll see you next time. Bye.